Hey guys, have you ever wondered, can I actually go viral on YouTube even with a small channel? The answer is yes, because it happened to me. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a little bit about my viral YouTube video that now has over 315,000 views. And at the time, I only had 1,500 subscribers. So if you stick around till the end, I'm going to go into my analytics. I'm going to show you exactly how much money that video earned for me. And I'm going to just share a little bit of this strategy and some tips to help you go viral on YouTube. So this is my most popular video, which now has over 315,000 views. And at the time when I created it, my channel only had about 1,500 subs. So yes, you can be a small YouTuber and create viral content. So I'm going to share with you exactly how this process went, because now that I see how it happened, I have hindsight, and I want to share with you all the steps that you can take to increase your chances of having a viral video too. So the first step is be on the lookout for what I call the gold. The gold is viral content online that has just been released. It's either trending in a certain area, maybe it's something political, maybe it's something in your specific niche that has gone viral. That is the first most important step. Example, just recently at the inauguration, Bernie Sanders had these big mittens on his hands and he crossed his legs and he just looked so cold. Next thing you know it, Bernie went viral. He was all over the internet. So I'm going to see if you can capitalize on this viral content, okay? It's called trend surfing. So for me, I received an email from Etsy. I'm an Etsy seller, and as the pandemic hit, I get this message from Etsy saying, Etsy sellers, you need to start making masks right now because we are selling out and the demand is skyrocketing. So as a fashion designer, I have a team, we started making masks. But I thought to myself, wait a minute, people probably are at home and they want to know how to make their own mask. So that's what I did. I shot it right on my iPhone. I wasted no time. And I wasn't even really thinking about creating a viral content. I was really just trying to help people and to get that mask video up so people could start making their own masks. Well, lo and behold, it started gaining a lot of traction. So step number 2, create a video around the viral content which relates to your niche and audience. Let's move on to step number 3. Create a video that is actually valuable. This is really important. Even if you have a great thumbnail, you've got to follow through with great content because you want to make sure the YouTube algorithm keeps pushing up your video because people are watching the entire thing or close to the entire thing. You want to have that watch time. So make sure you have a great hook, you have interesting content, and you have them hooked till the end of the video. Moving on to step 4, make sure you have a clickable thumbnail. Creators, it is super important to have a thumbnail that gets a high click-through rate. First of all, because your video going to get watched more often, but it's also going to get pushed up into the YouTube search because YouTube, the algorithm, is saying, hey, this video, people are clicking on it, they're watching it, and they push it out to more people. Not rocket science. Step number 5, what I call the matching outfit. Everything in the back end, your thumbnail, a searchable title, which means you want to make sure that viral content is in the title. Your title needs to be in the first part of your description of your video. Make sure you have all of your tags with the searchable content that is viral, those viral keywords that people are searching for. And here is the little secret. Make sure you save your video as an MP4 with the title of your YouTube video. For me, it was DIY face mask and MP4. All right, so step number 6, really important to upload and distribute everywhere. It's important to do this right away because you have 24 hours to make a good impression on YouTube, meaning the algorithm will really push up your video if you can get that initial push, because it already shows that it's popular and it wants to push it out to more people. So if you can give it a boost, maybe it's your email list, friends and family, or social media, blog posts, wherever you can get traction, go show your videos and drop your links everywhere and encourage everybody to like and comment on your video as well, which is really, really important. So let's pop over to YouTube and I'm going to show you exactly how much money I've made so far with this video with over 315,000 views. So here we are in the back end of my YouTube channel, and if you can see here that this video received 315,000, almost 316,000 views to date, and I gained 1,700 subscribers just from this video. And my ad revenue was just about almost $800, which really isn't that much considering the size, the amount of reach for this video. So let me tell you why. It's this number right here called RPM, revenue per mile, which is also your, it's like per 1,000 views, how much you're going to earn. It's always going to be lower than your CPM, but this is super low. Usually it's anywhere from a few dollars all the way up to $20, $30, depending on the content, depending on your channel and what advertisers are willing to pay to advertise on your video. But this number can change, and it changes for all of my videos. This changes on a daily basis, and it also depends on what type of video I'm producing. Sometimes my average RPM is over $13. So it's important to remember that you want to create other ways of earning YouTube, income besides just YouTube AdSense, because most creators are not going to be able to quit their day job just becoming a full-time YouTuber. And I'm not saying that's not possible, but it's great as you're growing your channel to maybe be an affiliate for Amazon and share products that you love so you can earn commission, or create your own courses like I've done, or whatever it is that you want to sell, a product, a physical product, digital product. There's so many ways to earn money besides just AdSense. Now, I'm not complaining. It's a nice little drop in the bucket. I had a lot of other opportunities come up, which also paid me sponsorships. And at the end of the day, you just got to love being a creator and creating awesome content. So your subs will absolutely really get value from your content. So I hope that this video was not only helpful, but inspirational. It's your turn now to go find trending topics online and create your viral video. Because if I can do it, you can do it too. Make sure you take a moment, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment and a like. Let me know what you loved about this video, or if you didn't like it, just let me know why. I would love to hear from you. All right, guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and go get them on YouTube.